All right,
as
we
a counsel,
understood that.
let me finish.
नहीं,
Let me
एक
finish.
second ना. You
Again,
want
this
me
was
to
not
make a
allowed
document?
to
Please
answer
listen
your
to me.
question.
काउंसिल
You
को
want
खत्म तो
me?
करने
No,
दें.
ladyship, I'm not being allowed to answer
You
my
are.
question.
You are. I am paying attention. Very.
ladyship,
I am.
ladyship,
Let me just say, if you want me to look at this document
I don't want
and
you to look
read
at it
this
anymore.
document,
I submit-
I want to
brought
know
it to
कि
ladyship
और
notice.
सबके देखे हैं कि मैं
नहीं
बस
देखे,
एक की
बिल्कुल
सिलेक्टिव
नहीं
देख रही हूँ और
बिल्कुल
बाकी
नहीं
इग्नोर
देखे,
कर रही हूँ.
देखे, मैंने नहीं देखे.
तो फिर मैं ये क्यों देख रही हूँ?
ना देखें आप.
तो फिर आप इस पे इतना
I
जोर
have
क्यों
brought
लगा
it to
रहे
the
हैं?
notice of the entire bench.
क्यों लाए हैं
that there
notice
is-
पे without
Why-
doing the complete work?
Ladyship,
ठीक है,
यहाँ पे, no, sir, I want to make a
let
statement.
me
This adversarial system suggests you hear one side, you hear the other side, decide.
मैं भी यही मांग रहा हूँ.
चलो
अभी,
आप
छोटी
अपना
सी-
फॉर्मुलेशन खत्म करें, फिर हमारे सवाल है उनका जवाब दे दीजिए.
ठीक है
मगर ये
सर.
साहिबजादा साहब के लिए तो आपने कहा है कि उन्होंने कोई दिया ही नहीं ना सर्टिफिकेट, तो फिर इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे या नहीं होंगे? उनके डिक्लेरेशन में लिखा हुआ है
वो तो
नजरियाती का, तो नजरियाती भी आपको दिया था उन्होंने, अटैच तो नहीं है नजरियाती उसके साथ?
I'm sorry जी, मैं अब
तो वो जवाब उसका यही बनता है ना.
लेकिन
फिलहाल तो
nomination paper में वो क्या
इंडिपेंडेंट
है?
डिक्लेयर किया है नहीं किया, वो तो खुद लिखा है इसके अंदर कि नजरियाती का सर्टिफिकेट अटैच कर रहा हूँ. आपने कहा नहीं था कोई भी सर्टिफिकेट उनके साथ.
सर उन्होंने देखें पहले उन्होंने कहा
PTI का सर्टिफिकेट है,
अलायंस which we don't know what that is. There's no such thing.
पीटीआई के बाद जो डिक्लेरेशन है उसमें नजरियाती लिखा हुआ है ना. पीटीआई
Then his ticket is of PTI, and then that statement on oath which says section 66 says N, but there's no N ticket.
नहीं है ना. तो
नहीं है.
यही बात है ना इस
जी,
वक्त. तो इस
जी.
वक्त वो इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे ही नहीं होंगे. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द पार्टी एफिलिएशन टिकट वेदर ही प्रोवाइडेड सच टिकट और नॉट.
To support his declaration. नहीं
दूसरा इसमें क्लियर कीजिएगा कि इस वक्त वी हैव आस्क्ड सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस टू यू कि ये पर्संस दे वर कंटेस्टिंग द इलेक्शंस ऑन पीटीआई टिकट एंड दे नेवर विड्रॉन देयर एफिलिएशन, बट एट द मोमेंट दे ऑल जॉइंड SIC. तो अगर वो पीटीआई के थे तो फिर वो SIC ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते थे. अगर उन्हें
यही तो मैंने in my sermon
नहीं, अगर तो
inverted commas, यही तो मैं point कह रहा था कि you have to take your PTI jacket off.
Please listen. If
सुन
we
तो लेना.
consider them, if we consider them the PTI candidate who contested the elections on PTI affiliation ticket, then how they joined SIC?
That's my submission.
At present, they are the candidate of SIC.
That is my
who are before us.
submission. That is my submission.
So we
and
cannot
position.
revert back to that position.
That-
If they are PTI, then obviously
Sir,
they cannot
आपने
join SIC.
मेरी position for whatever it's worth,
ये
you encapsulated.
No, there
It
is a
requires clarification. That is why I'm asking to you.
My-
Then on the
That is, sir, that is
assist
my
this,
position.
assist on
Sikandar,
this also.
My
This is
lord,
the legal position.
my lord, with the question that he's asking, there's one detail that's missing. You declared them as independent. They never took off the jacket of PTI and wore the jacket of SIC. In between comes you. You say you're independent.
I'll answer.
Faced with that situation,
I'll answer.
3 days
No,
notice,
despite
the
that,
jacketless.
Yes,
sir, वो
मंसूर साहब की बात मैं इसको despite that, if they contested the election on PTI ticket, then what was the occasion to join SIC? Why they don't fight for their own rights?
Sir, मैं भी
देखिए,
यही कह रहा हूँ.
देखिए अब आप
My lord, my last formulation.
नहीं
and then I'll just
ये
come to
देखिए,
my-
many things are self-evident.
सिकंदर साहब.
Yes.
Many things are self-evident.
Yes, sir.
It's not what you say or I say or third person says. We see a document, it speaks for itself. The one this before me, like I continue to go back to the same thing. It's a contradictory document as I see it. Now,
I can't deny
whether
it.
a
I don't
person
think-
should file a contradictory document, whether the job of the election commission is to resolve the contradiction, I don't know. But let's stick on the documents themselves. And where is the declaration I'm talking about? I mean, person says, here's my, on oath, I say I belong to Nazariati, and attaches a certificate of somebody else.
Yes.
So I don't know how you cannot call that a contradiction. It is a contradiction,
I call it a contradiction.
factual contradiction.
Yes.
Now the question is, how should you attend to it? That's another matter. But one should not go beyond the document itself. So it says for what it is, whatever you want to make of it, make of it.
I bow to my lords of
No, I'm just saying
आप अपना
that
submission
now you
please करें.
give me your submission. वो तो हम डॉक्यूमेंट देख लेंगे, वो हमारे सामने कोई मसला नहीं है. इसमें आप चाहे अगर आप इसको कहें नहीं ये नजरियाती का नहीं है, ये उसका है, फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि डॉक्यूमेंट होता है ना, अब क्या हम करें उसको?
My lord, can I leave it as having brought all of this to my lords, this august
ठीक है, हम देख
bench's
लेंगे,
notice?
समझ लेंगे,
I
कोशिश
have
करेंगे।
taken my lords through my understanding
अगर
of
एक
it.
बात आपकी
And
वजन देखिए,
yes, I think I haven't been able to satisfy my lords on
नहीं, how
every
do you
single.
know?
But that is, I don't actually. I just have a.
Thank you.
Yes, I don't.
Sir,
I still live
we
with-
have
in
moved,
hope.
We have moved ahead where people are bewildered by what a bench is thinking.
आइए जरा
चले आगे
चले,
बढ़े।
let's-
Sir, last sir, अब मैं सिर्फ last formulation दूंगा.
सिकंदर,
And
last
then
से
I will
पहले-
go to
सिकंदर, last से
actually
पहले- सिकंदर।
give my submission on 51 and 104.
सिकंदर,
if I may.
लास्ट से पहले एक क्लैरिफिकेशन थोड़ी सी।
Sir.
देखिए फॉर्म 33 आप बनाते हैं
जी.
ठीक, किस बुनियाद पे बनाते हैं कि आपके पास
Validly nominated candidates जो रह गए हैं, मैं उनको उस लिस्ट में
सवाल
डाल
मैं कर रहा हूँ, आप नहीं, सवाल मुझे करने दे। आप देखें, आप सामने नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स होते हैं कैंडिडेट्स के, आप सिर्फ देखते हैं कि जिसके साथ एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट है, आप फॉर्म 33 में लिखते हैं कि बिलोंग टू दिस पार्टी। जिसके पास सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है आप लिख देते हैं इंडिपेंडेंट। ये फॉर्म 33 आप ही बनाते हैं ना, तो आपने उनके लिए लिख दिया।
तो उससे एक चीज पहले होती है, मैं प्लीज
जी 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 बताएं।
इससे एक स्टेप पहले ये होता है that the candidate in the normal course applies for a symbol. So, and there is a whole provision which regulates it. So, जिस तरह उसने शटलकॉक मांगा तो सर कोई प्रोसीडिंग्स हुई ना, उन्होंने कहा, चेयरमैन साहब ने कहा कि मुझे शटलकॉक दे दें एज इंडिपेंडेंट विद इफ्स एंड बट्स कंसीडर्ड. उस शटलकॉक वाज नॉट अवेलेबल. The proceedings under the act took place.
I will interrupt you just here. चलें ये भी आपकी बात मान लेते हैं, but how does it get? He gets de-affiliated. That is the point.
वो फिर
आप इसको
I rely on that section. Then I only rely on that section and that's my position.
Yeah, that's ठीक है, वो हमें clear हो गया आपकी।
Sir, formulation, very last one, it's a straightforward one and more just for the notice of the court. It's on page 16, the very last page of the concise statement, sir. CMA 5840, part 1, page 16.
जी, number 7 formulation
Number 7, sir.
584.
Without prejudice to the formulations 1 to 6, it is appropriate to bring to the notice of this court that Article 3, Chapter 1 of the Constitution of SIC, appended with this concise statement, restricts membership of SIC to only adult Muslims and places further 3 conditions of a like nature to membership. The conditions in the said Article 3 of SIC's Constitution are violated.
First read the.
Bilkul, sir. It's at page 279 of part 2 of my concise statement, my lord.
Is this something you would see in the normal course when giving reserved seats?
No.
Is this relevant or is this for them to see
as I
and they
said-
can then be
Leadership, मैंने-
questioned on why they're going against their thing? But
इसीलिए मैंने
इसको
कहा-
आपने formulation जो
सिकंदर
बनाई है
साहब।
इसकी legal significance बताएं।
सिकंदर साहब,
पहले पढ़ लेते हैं, फिर आप उसकी
this is
significance
very
बता दें हमें।
pertinent.
It's 279.
एक सेकंड सिकंदर साहब, what it's very pertinent, as our ladyship has stated, and we were informed yesterday that even JUIF has a similar clause.
ठीक है जी।
But did you allocate reserve seats to JUIF?
नहीं, एक सेकंड ठहरिए,
वो
ये जो
कैसी
बात नहीं, एक ही बात है, अगर JUI की बात है तो वो डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाइए, इनकी बात है ये डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाइए। बगैर डॉक्यूमेंट देखे मैं कम से कम मैं तो नहीं मानता हूं।
मैं सिर्फ ये पढ़ देता हूँ।
हाँ, फिर जिसको दिखाना है JUI वाला डॉक्यूमेंट वो दिखा
With
देंगे हम।
great respect-
पहले आप हमें ये वाला तो पढ़ने देना, एक आगे तो पढ़े हम
मैं
लोग।
तो पढ़ना चाह रहा हूँ।
ठीक है, आप पढ़ दें, फिर आगे JUI का देख लेंगे, ये दिखा देंगे हमें।
आपने इसलिए तो डिप्राइव नहीं किया ना उनको नॉन मुस्लिम।
चले आप दिखा दें।
And sir, again, with utmost respect, my formulation starts with the sentence,
अब जरा
I
पढ़
am
दें।
bringing it to your
आप
notice.
फिर आप एक
And
और
sir,
आप can you
loses
finish
its
reading it?
significance because you have not denied them the non-Muslim seats on the basis of their
No, I
constitution.
haven't.
तो वो तो इशू ही नहीं है ना,
बिल्कुल
वो मुसलमान है या नहीं है वो
बिल्कुल।
अभी सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं है।
ये आइन कब का है, ये पार्टी कब से रजिस्टर्ड है, आपको अब होश आई है? I mean,
तो आप जरा can you please read it?
Sir, can I just read it, please?
No,
Please read
I'm
it.
sorry, but is election commission standing before us to score?
I want him to read it. Can you please
आप पहले बताएं,
सिकंदर
साहब
साहब।
बताइए कब से ये पार्टी आपके पास
भाई
रजिस्टर्ड है?
पढ़ तो देना प्लीज।
रिकॉर्ड से
बता सकते हैं क्योंकि रिकॉर्ड से बता सकते हैं
सर ये आपका ग्राउंड ही नहीं उनको डिप्राइव करने का
उनको डीलिस्ट किया ना
Can I just read it and move on? Can I just please read it and move on?
लेकिन सिकंदर साहब ये बड़े pertinent questions हैं.
इसका लीगल सिग्निफिकेंस बताएं ना.
देखिए सिकंदर
Sir,
साहब,
in a matter where, with utmost respect, then I want to respond.
Sikandar
In
Sahab,
a matter where we are in 185.3 and I am answering
I don't know what you're going to say till
Sir,
I read a document.
Sir, but I want to respond to
Even
these
then,
questions, sir,
185.3
very quickly.
maybe-
In a matter, my lord, in which
please-
I'm in, please let me at least finish one sentence. I beg the court. Sir, nahi, I want to finish my sentence.
This was not the
Sir,
ground.
please.
The High Court ने भी ये
नहीं
किया
है
है.
सर. मैं सिर्फ एक लाइन पढ़ दूं और आई मूव ऑन. अगर आप मुझे नहीं चाहते हैं कि मैं नहीं पढ़ूं, आई गो बाय व्हाटएवर द ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द majority says and I'll move on, sir. But may I just say that ये जो objection आ रहा है, sir,
if before I see the relevance of
I know my
एक
lord
second,
always
can I
says this.
finish my sentence before I see the relevance or irrelevance of something. I need to understand it, and the only way I have no magical way of understanding anything till I read the document, and then I may come to the conclusion it is completely irrelevant. But can you please, for my benefit,
and
read it?
throughout this hearing I've been making this error where I tell myself that please read
Please
the
now
whole
read
thing.
it. खत्म करें, आगे
Sir,
बढ़ें,
पढ़ दें,
जल्दी
please.
जल्दी करें.
Sir, बस पढ़ दें. मैं
You look at this for all parties before giving them any reserved seats. Is this something that you do for everybody?
no, I don't.
So then why are you relying on it for them?
I'm relying on it now because as a counsel it came to me that I should check their constitution. I came across this provision. It seems very relevant to bring
Did
to the
you check
notice.
the constitution
Lady, please
of
let me-
any
let-
other
I've
parties?
already answered no. I said emphatically no, I did not, madam. Let me please finish my sentence. So I, as a lawyer, asked for it. I came across it. I considered it relevant to bring it to the notice of this court. I considered it pertinent.
All right,
as a
we've
counsel,
understood that.
let me
आपने
finish.
नहीं,
Let me
एक
finish.
second ना.
Again,
You
this
want
was
me
not
to
the
make a
ground.
document? Please listen to me.
Council
You
को
want
खत्म तो
me?
करने दें.
Ladyship, I'm not being allowed to answer
You
my
are.
question.
You are. I am paying attention.
ladies
I
and
am.
gentlemen,
Let me just say, if you want me to look at this document
I don't want
and
you to look
read
at it
this
anymore.
document,
I submit-
I want to
brought it
know
to
कि
ladyship
और
notice.
सबके देखे हैं कि मैं
नहीं
बस
देखे,
एक की
बिल्कुल
सिलेक्टिव
नहीं
देख रही हूँ और
बिल्कुल
बाकी
नहीं
इग्नोर
देखे,
कर रही हूँ.
मैंने नहीं देखे.
तो फिर मैं ये क्यों देख रही हूँ?
ना देखें आप.
तो फिर आप इस पे इतना
I
जोर
have
क्यों
brought
लगा
it to
रहे
the
हैं?
notice of the entire bench.
क्यों लाए हैं
that there
notice
is-
पे without
Why-
doing the complete work?
Ladyship,
ठीक है,
यहाँ
आप
पे
ले-
no, sir, I want to make a
Let
statement.
me come to your rescue,
Sir,
learned
I
counsel.
have-
It did make effect on me when I read this.
Yes.
So you've made your point. Please
So,
move
I'll
on.
move on.
Please move on to your
Ajay,
next
I
submission.
won't-
Mr. I don't know relevance or irrelevance. Probably on the irrelevant part is that you should chano bin every memorandum and see if it conforms to Pakistan's constitution. Okay. The other thing is a person is now claiming a right. Two rights they are claiming. One are seats for women. Suppose the political party says no women allowed in a political party. In my opinion, that would become a relevant fact.
Yes.
People may disagree.
Yes.
Another party may say, fine, very good, we only want Christians, we only want Muslims, we want... But then you can't claim, in my opinion, another seat because you are in violation of your constitution, because that will be a contradiction in terms. To that extent, I would definitely, and you know, when we talk about inclusivity,